it's your girl Maya, the real Maya. Today, y'all, I'm back with another video, and we in Cancun. Okay. Yeah. Nah, I'm playing. We in CONROE, y'all.
It's your girl, big mother. Y'all know. Y'all need to
Yeah. What's your channel name? Aaliyah Lene. I got you.
That's not my channel.
That's not the channel.
Boom, boom.
Oh,
boom,
who
boom,
this is?
Oh, it's Leah
Lene.
Boom. Yeah, it's not. Yeah. Oh my God.
Hey girl. Oh Lord, see camera shot. Hey, what's up?
So much untoasted bread under here.
I'm crying. Hey y'all, what's your name? Ooh, y'all. Ooh. Who I introduce? Hey, big hand up. All right, y'all. So we at the Airbnb right now. It's in a car. I'm finna give y'all a little tour right now, but this is the patio and everything else. Da 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 da. What? Mom, I'm going to Walmart. So this is the house tour. So when you come in, y'all, say, hey, girl. This is the living room area right here. Real cute. Big S only, you know. So this is a room right here. Right here, you can see the what's it called, the view from right there. Oh, that's a big. Oh, this is big. Oh my God. Oh, this stuff it, y'all. You know, it's giving real. You know, yeah. Dang, this is big. Oh my God. Like, this is huge. What is this? This is huge. What's this? Okay, giving grandma. What's this? I don't care what none of that. Oh, this the other room. Okay, so one room leads into another. This is big, huh? Exactly, that's what I said. How you turn on the light? Do a cartwheel up here. You could do a whole backflip in here, I swear to God. Okay, let me go upstairs, y'all. Let me go upstairs. All right, that's the front door. Upstairs. This is where we will be staying, y'all. All the bags everywhere. What a restroom. Oh, okay. This is the restroom right here. Oh, girl, what a light. I can't even find the light, y'all, but y'all get the hint. Oh, there you go. Hey, period. All right. And I think that's a closet over there. Nothing too special. And these are the room with the bunk beds, y'all. You know, it is a lot of us. No shade, but if the girl's going to have somewhere to sleep. So, hey, what that room with the pool?
Right here.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, right here? I forgot to show my vlog that. Say, hey, girl. Where is it? What door? Oh, this door right here. Turn on the light, y'all. Ooh, it's hot in here. This the boy, and this the room. Oh, I almost fell. This, but yeah, y'all, this is the house, y'all. This is the house. First of all, baby, ooh, the light. This is the garage. We is lit, okay? We is lit, but tonight we eating pizza and wings, y'all.
The way I had to start my vlog.
Y'all, she be this one. I'm telling you. Exactly. Go get your camera right now. But I just want to show y'all. The house, so y'all just stay tuned for whatever next. All right, y'all. So the pizza just came. Everybody eating and stuff. Hannah eating another slice. I ain't even started, like. But yeah. So let me tell y'all the plans. So the plans for tomorrow, y'all. We do a party boat and jet skis. Aaliyah, are you gonna do it? She's gonna do it.
I'm not even.
Okay. It's a jet skis and a party boat and everything else like that. Whatever you want to do. So I got my GoPro to film that. But it's really not nothing to film tonight, y'all. Because, like, we just eating. It's, what time is it? It's 10:30 at night. So after this, we probably go, take a shower, talk. Y'all can't hear us be messy, though, of course. So, I'm going to just pick back up on this vlog tomorrow. So y'all just stay tuned for tomorrow. Oh, and it's June 10th, my birthday in 4 days. So if you want to make her birthday, only the real ones know what my birthday is. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to touch back. Oh, no.
It's June 13th, baby.
It is in 4 days. Today the 10th? 11, 12, 13.
June 13th.
What's today?
That's 3 days.
It's June 9th.
Oh, June 9th.
I don't know why I thought it was the 10th. Oh, I said it was June 10th. It's June 9th, y'all. I lied. My birthday in 4 days, so yeah.
Damn.
Okay, but I'm gonna touch back on this vlog tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. So it's the next morning team. They just threw down like Hannah.
Why you gotta show me pick up the food on the camera?
We got this a biscuit, waffles, So y'all cooked it? You cooked it?
Yeah, so what I did was I basically
What you did, girl?
did the waffles and the biscuits for y'all, and I whipped this nice bacon up and sausages. And then my mom, she just washed the dishes.
Girl, let me go over here. Let me go over here. This bacon. Bacon.
Where's bacon?
Y'all, we doing a Mexican bar later, right?
Yeah,
we doing a Mexican bar later.
Got the sparks and stuff.
Girl, I'm dead. Anyways, but y'all, we finna eat, y'all, and we don't do the boat till 6:30, like I said. But we finna eat and stuff. Them waffles look good. I don't even eat waffles. But anyways, yeah, y'all, it's the morning. It's like 11 something. I'm gonna start vlogging again when like everybody come and stuff when we get dressed and stuff like that. But I just want to show y'all how we gonna be. Y'all wanna eat outside? We're gonna eat outside, y'all. So stay tuned for what's next when we get dressed and stuff. Cause today is the boat, the jet skis and all that. Today is my bad. Hey, today is Juneteenth and we lit y'all my birthday in 3 days. So yes, y'all stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So I'm finally dressed or whatever. Nice. Show them what I got on real quick. Oh, you tying your balloon? I'm sorry. This is what I got on, y'all. No. Girl, whatever. So, you know, it's like 2 right now. Oh, they on the jet ski. It's 2 right now, and they setting up and everything. They setting, I got them. So, all the balloons on the floor. Balloons on the floor. You know, we doing a Mexican bar. So, what is it? Talk about a party. They setting that up. Chips and stuff for the nachos, I'm assuming. This the little it's Hawaiian themed, so we doing that. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit later. Say what's up. Hey. He just set up the thing or whatever. I don't know, they looking dusty over there. I don't even want too much. Show them. Say what's up to my vlog. This is my little brother, y'all. Say what's up. He's shy, y'all. He's shy. Yeah, all these balloons, y'all. Everybody else upstairs, though. They in the room sleep. But I just want to show y'all like what I had on and stuff. We still waiting on everybody to come. We still waiting on everybody to come. Jamie outside. She finna come in. Say hey to the vlog, Jamie. Y'all, we is lit. Got my GoPro. My GoPro says charging. But, you know, yeah. But I'm gonna show y'all the finished product when everything is done and when everybody's dressed, because they in there looking dusty and I'm looking cute. So I'm gonna just get back to y'all later. Okay, guys. So I'm back. Last time y'all seen me, I was.
By chance, sorry.
Oh, you good? Last time y'all seen me, I was doing the decorations and stuff. Well, they was doing decorations. It's hot. I can't breathe. I don't know. But now we finna get on the jet skis and stuff, y'all. So I got my GoPro for that. Like I said, but we gonna start off on a boat and then get on the jet ski from the boat. So yeah, I just want to update y'all on what we're doing. I got a surprise for y'all later that I have to tell y'all. So y'all stay tuned for the end of the video. Well, the later in the video. But I think I'm finna switch to the GoPro in like a second. Well, no, because we're gonna be on the boat. I don't have to. Y'all gonna see what's y'all gonna see whatever's next. So y'all just stay tuned.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I want.
Hey y'all, so we just came from the boat. Let me tell y'all what just happened. So I only got like a little footage from the boat, y'all, like just a little bit. So, cause like they was playing music and I was gonna get copyrighted. So
Hey y'all.
So
yeah, we gotta make that
but y'all, yeah. So we couldn't ride the jet skis, unfortunately. But on the bright side, y'all, I got a car, y'all. Like I wish they would have got it on my vlog, but I mean they don't know how to work my camera. But I'm gonna post a clip in here. Today is Saturday, June 3rd.
And we are actually shopping for Maya a car for her birthday, and she does not know, so she's not with me. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated.
Her new car from her mom and pop. Just congratulate her today. But she's our best granddaughter. She better get
And yeah, y'all, I got a car like
brand new all black. Don't
yes, it's the Hyundai Elantra 2019. That's what you said. Yeah, 2019.
What you put your hair
So yes, girl, I got a new car. Like I'm finna show y'all how it looks. Okay, so boom, it's dark, so I'm gonna show y'all again tomorrow. Thank you guys. Y'all are sneaky because y'all everything just add up, but this how it looks, y'all. Ooh, it's gonna rain. Yeah, y'all can't really see. I'm gonna show again tomorrow what it looks, but it's black.
She got a car. Yeah,
This,
don't please.
Yeah,
Don't
we outside
play.
for real.
Outside, we off in the
Outside for real, y'all. Outside for real. But yeah, y'all, Hyundai Elantra 2019. I'm so excited. Like, I'm gonna show y'all again tomorrow. But this how it look. Cause it's really dark. Period, y'all. But we finna I don't know if y'all can see me, but we finna go in the house and shower and stuff, cause the party not stopping, baby. I'm just really mad we didn't get to ride the jet skis, but it's okay. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm trying to make the video as interesting as possible, but I'm gonna insert the clip of me like walking outside and stuff. So y'all just stay tuned. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maya. Happy birthday to you. This is from my auntie, y'all. What you mean? I think you're back. What? Oh, it's upstairs. Go get it. It's upstairs. No, do mine first. Okay. From Pandora. Didn't I just say we'll get my ring collection? It's a ring, y'all. Bring the pink bag. Bring the pink bag, most of Anybody gonna get it? I'm gonna get it. Okay. Woo! I'm tired with me. Okay, nice. Open it up. What size you wear? Ring? 5. Yeah. This is from my other aunt, guys. Favorite aunt, baby. Put favorite. Okay. This is from my I need one anyways. Girl, put my baby on there. Line up. Do your money, Oh my God. Where you get that from? Don't worry about it. I want to know. This is thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. This is from my grandma, y'all. Where is she? This is from her grandma. Where she goes? Grandma is somewhere. Mom is somewhere around here. Well, you gotta put that on video too, bro. I gotta see it. I got you. Alice, I want to read it out loud, y'all. Alice said she had me a gift. I told her, Alice. All right. From celebrating you, granddaughter. It's such a joy to see you grow and become the smart, talented woman you are. So many things to be proud of. I like that. In your life, and it's such a joy to celebrate you. $40, guys. She needs gas money, everybody. Okay, y'all. So we back in the house. We took showers and stuff. And yeah, I got one question for everybody. Aja, did you have fun?
Baby, I had fun.
Harmony, you have fun? Did y'all have fun? Y'all have fun? Period. Y'all have fun? Journey. Did you have fun? Yeah. Get on. Y'all, did y'all have fun?
Let's go have so much fun.
Aaliyah, did you have fun? Tegan, did you have fun?
And my man said,
Okay, y'all. So we are finna go do.
we're gonna say peace out.
I don't know what we're finna. We're not finna go to. We're not finna go to sleep though, but we just finna, you know. I honestly don't want to vlog no more.
My vlogs always be ghetto.
Cause like my camera finna die, but it was a good birthday. We put in all the clips and stuff. What you gotta say? Da 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 da. But this end of this video. Well, it's not the end of the video. I'm gonna just pick up on it tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. So we just checked out. Hey y'all. Hey, y'all have fun? Yeah. Everybody else in the other cars and they getting ready. I mean, well, they getting their stuff out the house. But oh, now that it's daytime, I can show y'all the car. So this is the front. Then you know, real cute. Real cute. So, but y'all, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna make sure to put all the clips up in here so y'all can see. But thank y'all for watching. Hope I can't even talk. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on them post notifications, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.